Hey there guys, in this video I want to talk about what are the best shared calendar apps for families and what I recommend to do, and this is going to be quick and effective, okay? So the first one, Google Calendar. This is going to be the most recommended and I want to share it as a first to not waste your time. Okay, so we're gonna have cross-platform Android iOS compatibility. Families can use it to create a shared family calendar. So you can actually have Google Family Calendar, and this is something that you can actually do. So the family manager is the default owner of the family calendar. Anyone in family or anyone with access to your family calendar can make changes to events on the family calendar, manage how the family calendar is shared, edit the family calendar's name. So you can actually invite them into it, and that's something that you can actually do. Now I can create whole tutorial on how you can do it, but it's pretty straightforward. So you can invite people and you can have the calendars here and you can invite them. So Google Calendar, very good, effective way, and one of the best ways in my opinion. Another one, Timetree. So this is ability to create different shared calendars for different purposes. So let's say you're gonna have family, or you're gonna have it for kid specific. It works well for parents, partners, and even in-laws who need a clear view. So here you're gonna have also the kind of the shared calendar here, 10 million plus views. So which is very good. And you're gonna have also plenty of more, possibly more complex comparing to, it's still simple, but you can do more comparing to Google Calendar, and that's something that you can actually test out. But as you can see, you can have Go Premium, and you can have attached files to events, vertical calendar view, pin important events, dedicated support, ad-free experience. So that's something to be aware of if you want to actually use it. Now I'm a fan of it, so maybe you're gonna like it. Then also you're gonna have it, the Cozy Family Organizer. This is another one. So with that, what you can actually expect out of it, let's say the Google Play here, again 4.7 reviews, insane. So it's, if it's not most popular one, but this is great family app. It combines a shared calendar with shopping list and to-do list, making a comprehensive hub. So this is another win for example, right here you see that the camping tree, sharing the mental load, stay on the top of to-dos. And you can actually see right here what everybody has to do, and you can have this kind of the connection with others, this kind of as you can see the crew here, and also the Sunday, what everyone got, look at that. So dinner, Penne, also soccer practice, Josh, drama club, Maggie, and you can actually see it's good, right? So this is another one that I want to share, and maybe you're gonna like it. Now another one is called also Clan Plan. So shared calendar for couples and families, similar thing. So efficiency in keeping busy families organized with shared schedules and to-do lists in one place. So what I would do is that if I would be just me and girlfriend, I would go with a small family, small kid, I would go with Google Calendar. But if I'm going to have multiple children, I would choose for example, the Cozy Family Organizer, Timetree, or Clan Plan, or another one that you can also check out for yourself. Now you can actually try it out and see. The Family Wall is also interesting one. So Family Wall, highly rated alternative that includes calendars, share lists, and even location tracking in some versions. So yeah, that's something that I want to share with you, that maybe you're gonna like too. Now, thank you very much guys for watching. I hope it provided a little bit of value, what you can actually expect. And yeah, so each of those got pros and cons, but hope some of these are going to be helpful for you. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.